All right, everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to do WMS and other tile service uploads using a tile service URL. Now, if that doesn't mean anything to you, that's fine. We have several videos already on our FAQ site that will show you how to upload layers in other ways that might be a little more familiar or straightforward for you. I encourage you to check those out if you have not yet. But you may have noticed when you click Create Layer that there's this external tile service URL option, and we're going to go ahead and do that real quick here. I wanted to mainly show you, for those of you who do know how it works, where to find that in terms of navigating around Mavin, and just show you what it looks like once you've actually gone through with the upload. We're just going to call this test number 2, because you'll see I've already got one in my admin panel here, and that just happens to be the URL that I'm using for this demo. It's some weather imagery, or NOAA specifically, imagery that we're going to load here. Now, Web Map Service is what WMS stands for. That's what this one was. And that's the standard protocol for, or a standard protocol rather, for serving up georeferenced imagery over the internet or maps. And we don't need to go too far down into the weeds with what that means. The real key here is to give you a sense of what it looks like. Obviously, it's much more limited because it's raster data here, so you're not going to have all of the features on the toolbar that you would normally have for vector data. You do, however, have the chance to change the opacity, and that can be really useful because you'll see we've almost inadvertently created a weather map here, and I could interlace or overlay rather that layer with a bunch of vector data if I wanted, and quickly put together, again, say a weather map, for example, or really anything else in that vein. So that's how you get to that. And if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to support@mapmaven.com or myself directly at Fletcher, and that's FLETCHER, Fletcher@apollomapping.com. Thanks.